Asia Critical.
So this is my new wig with RPGSHOW. I haven't shown you guys an RPGSHOW wig in forever. So I made this one a very long time ago and I just never showed it. So I decided to show it now. What I'm gonna do is just melt it down on my hairline per usual. Alright fairies, so that pretty much concludes the entire tutorial. I actually went without doing the lip gloss today just because I just feel like the look just looks a lot better without any gloss. You know, it's a very light nude-ish type of neutral look and I think it looks freaking bomb, especially with this curly hair. So yeah, I will leave all the links down below as far as this wig. Also, I will leave all of BoxyCharm's information down below as well. I just think that their whole like little subscription campaign when it comes to their company is just like super good and it's affordable. I believe it's like $21 a monthly, and they do have different monthly subscriptions. I think it's 1 month, 3 months, and 6 months. So you can kind of just do like a trial run with a 1 month subscription just to see, you know, if there's something that's going to be a good fit for you, and if not, then you can just always just cancel it. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for the crazy support and just guys just trying to just make sure I was okay through this entire time. Like I really do love my fairies. And yeah, I just want to say, you know, I'm just going to own up and just say as a business owner, I just really do apologize for everyone that has had to go through this entire freaking experience with me practically. Not only am I upset, but then what happened as my company just, you know, tanking like that unexpectedly, especially because it was like out of my control. But you know, just as a business person, I just feel like I could have handled it a lot better than what I did. I just know what not to do moving forward with as far as business decisions, and that's all I really can do. I just want to make my wrongs right and just move forward from this and just get past it and then keep moving with the whole business. I'm not ending my business. I just needed a break just to regroup and get everything back together. I am back. I promise. I'm okay. My mental is better. If you guys want to ask me any questions about as far as my relationship, we are just trying to work it through. I still talk to him every single day. Nothing has changed, but I think we're just trying to just get everything on a very civil and understanding, you know, level. and I feel like we'll be fine. Like, even still, that's still my best friend at the end of the day. So we're just working on things. That's all I really want to say about that. I don't really want to get into it because, you know, I still talk to him every single day. So it's not even like we not in communication or nothing. That's still my best friend at the end of the day. So yeah, that's a whole nother topic on a whole different day. And yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys about my business situation and what happened, why my mental was just so down. And yeah, again, thank you guys so much for the support. I really do appreciate you guys, and I promise I'm back on YouTube for good. I really do. I say it every single video, but I swear to you all, I'm good. Okay, so hope to see you guys on my next one. I love you guys so much, and bye, fairies.